Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this simple 3D design for the beginner. So here is a mechanical measure part. Here is a simple nut design. So here is a nut outer, see, here outer distance 20 millimeter. Here is M12 is bolt, is matrix thread. Okay, and nut thickness 9 mm. Okay, let's try to make this. First I choose new interface and I choose front plane and sketch. Okay, now I choose, here is option polygon option and start from origin. Okay, here is polygon a number of 6, but I need to 6 number of 6. See, okay, let's define. Click this line to this line. Here distance 20 millimeter. Okay, and make sure this line is horizontal. Okay, now our design is fully defined. Now click feature option. Here is a 3D option. Now I choose extrude boss face. Okay, and here is a thickness 9 mm. So here type 9 mm and make sure direction one, click here and make sure is mid plane. Okay, now here is mid plane option. Okay, see, now click this face to sketch. Okay, now I choose, here is a circle, center of circle, and start from origin. Okay, now I click this line and hold control key in this line. Make sure it's tangent relation. Okay, and then click feature option. Here is extrude cut face, and now I choose, here is a flat to cut. Okay, and here need to angle is 45-degree angle, already we are done, and then okay, see, here is bolt not chamfer is okay. Now I need to another direction of this process. First I click, here is feature option and mirror entities. Okay, and click here options. Here is many options. First you can choose a plane. First of all I choose here right plane. Okay, oh sorry, I need to front plane. Okay, let's make again. First click, here is a mirror entities and here option. First I can choose front plane. Okay, here is front plane is okay, and then I click, here is cut to x2. So another direction is showing is mirror option. Okay, now it is cutted, and again sketching this face. First left right click and here is sketch option. I need a circle, sorry. Okay, here diameter is 12 because I need to matrix thread M12. Okay, I need to through hole. First click feature, here is extrude cut option Okay, and I click here is through all. See, okay, now our hole is created. See, now I click this shape is, and here is chamfer option. Okay, I need to 1 mm chamfer and click another one. See, automatically chamfer. See, now here is very important options is thread, spiral thread, because here is many option to make this, but I make it one by one. First click Fisher option here, and then click left key, and here is first sketching. Okay, now click this inside of circle and convert. See, here is converted, and then click Fisher. See, here option is curve. Here is helix and spiral option. See, here is a spiral is showing yellow color. Okay, here option is piece and revolution. Now I need to piece 1 mm. First mention 1. I need to more revolution. Revolution okay, 12. Okay, and here option is start angle 135-degree angle, and here clockwise. If you want, you can first click yes counterclockwise. Our spiral is counterclockwise is rotated, but I need to clockwise, and then click OK. See, okay. Now I need to thread. So first click here feature and take the reference geometry. Click here to options, here in plane. First click the spiral options, and then click this point. Okay, see, here is plane is created. Now I choose sketch. Okay, and then I choose again polygon. Okay, I need to, here is 3 parameters. 3. See, here is automatically convert into 3 lines. I need to rotate this. Okay, first click this line, make sure this line is vertical. Okay, need to dimension here. Here is 2 mm width, and also 3 line is equal. First click this line and hold Ctrl key, and both lines selected. Okay, here option is make equal. Okay, now I choose here fillet, because our here is sharp edge, but no need to sharp our see. First here is I need 0.2 mm, here is radius. See, here is 0.2, but here is bigger, so need 0.1. Okay, now here is very important options, but I need to reference. Here is no here reference. First of all, you choose here circle. Okay, and make sure this circle is here is construction geometry. First click this circle and hold Ctrl key to this line. Okay, make sure it's tangent relation and click also another one, tangent, and this. See, here is a center point. First click this center and hold Ctrl key and this spiral line. See, here is option Pias. So click Pias option. Okay. See, our thread shape is created. Now simply it exists. Now click here feature options. Here option sweep cut, and this shape is automatically selected. First click this spiral shape. See, okay. See, our thread is ready. First click this plane. It's no need, it is a height, and also spiral shape height. Okay, see, our thread is okay ready. This is the nut mechanical part of major part, I think. First click, you see properly, click here is a section view. See, if you want you can need to section, say section. Here is click this option. Here is journal problems on, click this. See, showing is a section. Okay, okay, let's make practice, and thanks for watching.